Polymorphism means many forms where one interface represents many different behaviors. Think of how pressing play works differently on phones, computers, and TVs, but the concept stays the same. Different devices, same button, different results. Let us have a look at this example. I'll create an array of type animal and then have all these objects of type dog, cat, and bird. Then I'll use a for each loop and then just call inside the loop the make sound method. Now each animal makes their own sound. The dog barks, the cat meows, the bird chirps, all from the same method call. The magic happens at runtime. You write code against the base type animal, but you get specific behavior from each actual object type. The runtime decides which method to call based on what the object really is, not what type the variable is declared as. This is called dynamic dispatch.